If you love spending time on lakes, rivers, or beaches but don't want to worry about hurting your feet, then these water shoes from SEEKWAY are for you. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and I love paddleboarding. Where I live, there are so many lakes with rocky shorelines, so having shoes that protect my feet without feeling bulky makes a huge difference. As soon as I put these on, I noticed how lightweight and comfortable they felt. They have a breathable upper with drainage holes, so they dry quickly after getting wet, and the flexible rubber sole gives me great grip while protecting my feet from rocks. I also love that they have plenty of room for my toes, and my feet don't hurt even after wearing them for hours. They're really well made, easy to slip on, and stay securely in place. Plus, they're super stylish. I honestly think that they look more like running shoes than typical water shoes. What stood out to me most was how much more enjoyable they made my lake days feel. Being able to step in and out of the water confidently really made paddleboarding for me so much more convenient and fun. And that's just my point of view.